Hey everyone! So you know those long YouTube videos where the important info is just a couple of minutes long, but the video is 25 to 40 minutes long? Yeah, we've all been there. If you're looking to save time and get the urgent info, like news or research, without sitting through the whole thing, I've got a great tip for you. Instead of watching the entire video, you can summarize it to get the gist in just a few seconds. Yeah, we got an AI for that too. Now, you can quickly grab the key points without wasting time. But here's the thing. Try to use this trick sparingly. Summarizing every video might hurt the YouTuber's channel performance, and we definitely don't want to do that. So save this for those times when you really don't have the time to watch the full video but still want to stay informed. Now, let's get started. Open up the Edge browser and open the YouTube video you want to summarize. Here we are using this YouTube channel for testing. This guy makes some great tech videos covering different topics in general, not just mobile box opening. You can check out his channel in the description. And here's the video we're looking at. It's almost 30 minutes long, but we want to get the important info quickly. So with Edge, you can summarize the video just by hovering over it, and you'll see the Summarize option appear. Click on that, and it'll give you a quick summary of the video in seconds. After that, feel free to ask any follow-up questions related to the video. Now you can see the final verdict of the video, complete with reasoning and how that result was derived, all in just a matter of seconds. If you want to use this AI summary feature in a different browser, you can check out this site. Just paste your YouTube link here, and it'll generate a summary for you. Plus, you can customize your video summary by selecting some options to tweak the output. Give it a try. This way you get the essential insights without having to watch the entire thing. It's a super efficient way to stay informed and make quick decisions based on the content. Now, don't you go summarizing this video just yet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Have a great day.